Yep. What do we got here? Milk?
Yes, milk. This is amazing.
The white? What do you think, Em?
I'm not a white chocolate person, so we'll see.
Even Jason liked the white.
It is good.
Pretty good.
Chocolate colour, waffle mountain.
We did the white chocolate count.
Videoing you.
Hello.
Which is your favourite one yet?
Not as good as Cadbury. Milk chocolate.
Milk?
Milk chocolate's the best. Then white, then dark. And the donuts.
Warte mal, jetzt kommt Schokolade. Aber erst muss
Pull.
Willst du Schokolade?
Money shot.
Alright, how is it?
Delicious. Like a bunny.
Like a bunny?
It's nice and warm. It's so good.
Yeah, yum.
Alright, so we were just at the Lindt home of chocolate in Zurich after doing a little bit of a tour. There was a little bit of stuff that you could take along the way, and one might say that I took a little bit advantage of that.
That's an understatement, but we'll get to that soon. So there was multiple rooms, and there was a room that had a machine that would give out chocolate, and you had to guess which type you got. And someone was a bit tactical with that. So this is some of the off-cuttings of varieties of different chocolates.
Yeah, so the idea of this one was, I think it was supposed to be a bit of a game. Guess what chocolate it is. Pretty good.
Probably at least a whole little block there, maybe even 1.5, 2.
2 to 3 in there, easy.
There you go, money's worth.
I went back twice.
Yes, and then
Jason kept encouraging me to get more, so.
of course he did, no surprise. A Switzerland milk crate with a variety of milk chocolate. So it's got hazelnut and milk. Not the greatest, but that's okay. We'll fill it up with the chocolate we like when it's done. And then I got this bad boy because I haven't had this in years. I stopped doing it in Australia and it's very delicious, creme brulee.
What's in my bag?
There was another thing. So the little Lindt balls, you could go and they had a variety of them and you get one from each flavour. And let's just see what Tyler got. Is that all? What's that?
There was only one guy supervising and you're only supposed to take
One
each. But, you know, one guy can only see so much, so haha. 70% cacao at the end.
That's a normal one. They have this is a new one. Cheesecake.
Like
Raspberry
a
cream.
raspberry
That's
cream.
I reckon that might be new. What else is there? Double choc. So I think it's extra creamy. Oops. Those are just Tyler's. I haven't. Mine is still with Mum. So there was also at the end, which the boys missed.
The line was too big. Kids
It was like a ramp, and it sent out a little gold ball, and the gold ball had the little chocolates. So we got a few of these, which was nice. So this is a dark caramel sea salt, so that'd be nice to have. And we'll see how much of this goes home and how much is consumed in the next 2 weeks.
We have a lot of chocolate here.
But yeah, it was good. And how many times did you go back to the chocolate fountain, Tyler?
Oh, I think I went to the white chocolate one about 8 times, the dark one 3 times, and the milk one 3 times. So I didn't even eat like any of these things or much of the squares because I just spent like 10 straight minutes pumping chocolate out into my spoon.
May I just add that I'm meant to be the chocolate addict, so I mean, it's not looking good for me, but...
Em liked the white, Jason liked the white. 2 people that would have said they don't like white chocolate.
It wasn't my favourite.
They still enjoyed it though.
The dark was very rich. I did have 5 spoonfuls. It was very rich. The milk I had about 4, and I just tried a tiny bit of the white, but I did enjoy it. It was quite creamy and sweet.
Look more wondrous, Em.
Huh? Come on.
Alright, run number 2 or 3, whatever you want to call it, on the Matterhorn so far. It's kind of confusing up here because it's so absolutely enormous. Part of the difficulty, honestly, is when any slopes are coming up some of the times, like the little dips, because everything is so pristine, perfectly uniformly white. It's wild. Pretty low visibility today, not really too much to see and show. Real high altitude, it's hard work, hard yakka. Don't know if you can tell super well, but it's kind of the equivalent of bucketing down a little bit this whole time. Difficult to see in general, but not horrifically bad. You can still see a bit over there. Tunnel thing. Gotta slow down. People love to just wait on the other side of this. Very frustrating. Too many people here this time for me. Zoom down, there's one left there. Doing a bloody, absolutely unbelievable run. It's freaking amazing. I feel like I've been skiing for like 10 minutes and I still don't know if I'm near the bottom. Had a couple of stacks at the start, but nothing crazy. Slid for like 10 meters, that was fun. How lovely is that? Does not get much better than this. Keeps coming up in a couple of different ways. Pretty good. Pretty good. Edison. Blue skies. Really steep mountain climb. Gotta love it. Top of the Glacier Paradise mountaintop. Can't go to Italy today. Pretty devastated. We went up the lift to the viewing platform, and the view's pretty good. If it wasn't cloudy and misty and you couldn't see anything at all. What do you think, Em? This elevator ride was short.
Let's cut off.
You can just see the same view we had before. Pulling back into Zermatt area now, so we see some people, the houses, trees everywhere. Pretty good time at the Matterhorn. Can't really complain, except terrible visibility so much of the time, but you know, got a lot of people here. Oh, geez. Thanks, Michelle.
What do we got at the top?
Fondue.
Fondue? That's bread. And then we're going to put it in the fondue.
Fondue.
And this special culture.
And the cheese ball. Oh, no cheese ball.
Pretty hot.
It's three. How is it?
Like a toasted cheese. Pretty good.
Alright.
That's pretty good.
Oh God, what was that?
What's happening?
Alice says it wasn't very good. Was he doing much cheese and chocolate? She's eating me passed out by now. I'm sorry. Huh? When you just stop, I like them. They are good. I'm ready. Oh, I wish I had maybe apple. It's so fucking good. What's that from? Apple. Hey, apple. Hey, apple. I love food. Oh yeah. Take a pop. Something precious. $40.
It was $30.
Was it?
Yeah, because it was 15 francs. Well, a little less than 30 then.